What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this one, I'm going to be giving you guys 3 ways to eliminate input lag in Fortnite. And these ways work for controller and keyboard and mouse, so it should help you. Honestly, it should. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, so the first tip that I'm going to be giving you guys is to turn on ultra low latency mode. And basically what you want to do is you want to go over to your Nvidia control panel, and then from your Nvidia control panel you want to go to your global settings, and then you want to scroll down until you see it's like latency or something. And then you want to select ultra. And what that does is it gives you ultra low latency mode. And if you put on ultra low latency mode for Fortnite, you get half as much input lag as you would if you have the setting off, which I'm guessing most of you have the setting off. So hopefully that works, but if that one doesn't, then this is an in-game setting, and this will work for console players as well. And that is to put your textures on high or epic, and console players have this setting on by default, so this should help you guys out. But for the PC players out there, you probably have your textures maybe on low or off, or maybe like medium. But if you put them on high or epic, it can fix and give you less input delay in Fortnite. This personally didn't affect mine. It affected a little bit, but it wasn't a huge difference. But if it worked for you, then that's great. And then moving on to the third one, this is going to be basically, it's a really simple one, just making sure that your drivers are updated. And to do that, just go into GeForce Experience and then go to your Nvidia and then click on your drivers. And then if it says if it says like game ready driver, then you're good to go. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.